Hello guys, I will show you this Miyuki Beaded Leaf pattern how to make. I need Miyuki beads. I will use this color yarn, this time white and gold color, and I need needle, my needle number here, and Miyuki yarn. I will use this yarn. I start this center here. I will start taking one white bead and one gold bead. I am taking and passing through in this white bead and in this bead, gold bead and white bead and gold bead. Here I need 10 gold bead. I will use. Last gold bead I placed here. Now I am here, one white bead and taking gold bead, and here I am decreasing, stitching second place here, passing through in these two beads and passing through in this gold bead. Placed. Take one white bead, stitch here, take white bead, stitch here, my yarn is here and go in down to up in this bead. Take gold bead, stitch here, go down to up, take white bead, stitch here, take white bead, stitch here, take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Turning back. Now I am here. Passing through in this bead and in this gold bead. Passing through in this gold bead. And my yarn is here. And this white bead passing through in it. Take 2 white beads and stitch. My yarn is here, stitching second place here. Passing through in this 2 bead. And passing through in this white bead. And placed. Take 1 white bead, stitch next place, and passing through in this white bead, go down top and take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here next place. Here. Take white bead, stitch here. Take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Turning back. Now I am here, this row. Take 2 white bead. Here I am increasing it, stitching first place. Passing through in this white bead. Take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. It is next place. Take gold bead, stitch next place. Take white bead, stitch here. I did this row, turning back. Take 2 white bead, stitching first place and increasing it. Take white bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. I did this row, turning back. Take 2 white beads. Here decreasing, stitching second place. Passing 2 in this 2 bead and in this 1 white bead. Take gold bead, stitch here. Take white bead, stitch here. I finished this row. Turning back. Take 2 white beads. Here I am decreasing it, stitching first place, passing 2 in this bead. My yarn is here, passing 2 in this white bead. Take white bead, stitch next place. Finished. It is one part. Now I will same process. I will do this side. I will come here in this bead like that. Now I do same pattern this side. I will do this side. Finished. Thank you for watching.